Peru is going through a very painful and challenging moment. The government says that more than half the country is on a state of emergency. 70,000 have lost their homes and more than 500,000 have been affected.
This is a path of landslides. The government is asking people to stay away from riverbanks like this, but people need to cross to look for food and water.
A la concha es... ¡A la mierda, huevón! ¡Mira! A la concha de su madre. ¡No, mierda, pasa! A la mierda, huevón.
The government has been distributing basic food and water. Private citizens started to build networks to deliver clothes and food. The government set up tents for some of those who lost their homes. The experts say rains may continue for the following month. Your help is still very much needed, as most of the flood victims are poor. Any donations will be of help. Please follow the link below or follow the hashtag Una Sola Fuerza. Peru will thank you.